Here it is how to cook the easiest carbonara that you ever cooked. I start carving the guanciale that I bought already sliced from the supermarket. Then I put in a pan and I start cooking. I wash the pasta, put salt in the water and start boiling the spaghetti. In the meantime, I finish to cook the guanciale. The important thing is to make it brown so it becomes crispy. When it's ready, put on the cutting board and leave the oil that comes out from it in the pan. Cut the guanciale into small pieces. Now, for 2 portions, I use 3 eggs and I only take the yolk. Then I start to grate the pecorino romano cheese, almost 70 grams. And the grate grana padano cheese as well, almost 30 grams. Mix everything till you will have something like that. I always keep some pasta water. When the pasta is ready, put in the hot pan and cook it. Add some pasta water to create the cream that you see in every video. Take the pan out of the fire and mix into the egg. If you see that it is too sticky, add a bit of pasta water. The pasta is ready. Put in a plate, add the cream from the pan and add some guanciale on top and generous grate of pecorino romano.